Hey, what's up everybody? Brian with Lean by Dewey, and I'm back out in the warehouse and I'm working on a small improvement from something that I heard while listening to Edwin Proper's latest Learning Club video. Let me show you. The takeaway I had was when Ryan Tierney was talking about how the Japanese visited his shop, which is a world-class company, and basically they were criticizing everything. And one of the things they criticized was like all the way down to the way that they were handling bolts in bins. And I was like, well, how can you improve this? Here we are, we have a bunch of little washers in this bin. We pull them out, we count them, we put them into bags. There's gotta be a better way, right? But something I would have never considered. Here it is. So what we have done is we've actually just lined the bin with white foam. And now it's so easy to just grab everything out of here. That really makes your brain hurt, doesn't it? Man, the Japanese are smart.